40 minutes to prepare and serves 4 people. These air fryer crispy Italian zucchini fries are a crowd-pleasing vegan snack. Zucchini sticks brushed with olive oil, rolled in garlicky, onion-powered breadcrumbs with Italian herbs, and air-fried to a golden crackly finish. Served with warm marinara, they're savory, herby, and irresistibly crisp. The perfect, dunk-worthy bite for any occasion. Let's now check the ingredients. 2 medium zucchinis, cut into sticks. 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, panko or Italian seasoned. 2 tablespoons olive oil for coating. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. 1/2 teaspoon salt, or to taste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Marinara sauce for serving. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat your air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the zucchini into 3 to 4 inch sticks. In a small bowl, mix breadcrumbs, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. Brush zucchini sticks with olive oil and toss in the breadcrumb mixture until evenly coated. Place coated sticks in the air fryer basket in a single layer. Cook in batches if needed. Air fry at 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, turning halfway until golden and crisp. Remove from the basket and optionally sprinkle with a pinch more salt. Serve immediately with warm marinara sauce for dipping. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.